Let's be honest, every dollar you spend on traditional ads today buys you a guess. You're paying for phantom impressions, estimates you can't audit, and an audience you'll never actually own. But what if money only left your account when a real person walked through your doors and completed a verified action? And what if every single one of those people became a consented contact that your organization keeps? With Lucilla, the rule is no proof, no payout. This is the Lucilla Enterprise Dashboard. Let me show you how to build, manage, and deploy verified reward campaigns across thousands of locations in a matter of minutes. It all starts with your company profile. This isn't just your page, it's your digital storefront. You lock in your handle, hours, socials, website, and logo. Next, we go over to the shop tab, which is what your customer sees. Whenever a user taps your brand icons in the app, they land right here. It's a fully interactive hub where they can see your active rewards, read your posts, and engage directly with your brand. This is the campaign builder, and it completely changes how you acquire customers. We give you 4 distinct reward mechanisms. USDC reward, deploy instant cashback for a single location. You're quite literally paying people to walk through your door. The honeypot, the exact same power but scaled. Drop rewards across as many locations as you want instantly. The promo reward, run location exclusive offers, dollar off, percentage off, buy one get one free, and turn one cashback toggle on and customer earns a discount plus USDC kickback. Event access gates and unlocks location exclusive events where they are free or paid. You're in control of how they claim. Use geo triggers to force them to physically be inside the zone, or use a QR trigger to unlock the reward behind a physical action at the counter, like a verified purchase. But here's where the gold strikes: the requirements. You can force the customer to answer a poll, watch a promotional video, spend a set amount of time on site, upload a photo or video proof before they get paid. You collect that media, reshare it in your brand pages, and gather crystal clear first-party data. You set the frequency, set the reward pool, and drop your radiuses on the map and locations. Now ready to deploy. Now this right here, this used to take an entire field marketing team in weeks of planning instead. Just tell the AI what you want. Deploy 100 reward zones across Toronto's high traffic foot areas, gated behind a pole and a branded video. Use X, pool, and per claim amounts, and schedule this for next weekend. Seconds later, those 100 zones populate on the map, complete with previews of the exact card your customers will see. The AI does the heavy lifting, but the total control is on your hands. Swap the media, tweak the poll, adjust the payout, push it live. One person, one afternoon, absolute market domination. And you can monitor everything happening live across your market to see what is happening and what's exactly converting. This is the payoff. We don't deal in impressions, we deal in claims. Consented contacts with verified actions. This is your proof of ROI all in one screen. You can see the exact poll answers, you see the photos and videos they uploaded from your store. Remember the rule, no proof, no payout. This is the receipt that proves your marketing dollars are actually working. Every single dollar is traced, campaign by campaign, with zero guesswork and nothing hidden with one click. You generate a pristine executive-ready PDF report on any campaign to hand directly to your management on your clients. And for the enterprise security is everything, we built this with 2 distinct wallets for a purpose. You have a Passkeys wallet that's only the absolute owner's controls. Then you have a funded captive deployment wallet for your admins. This means your marketing team can launch massive campaigns and move fast, but they never actually touch the owner's keys. You fund it, you cap it, and you let them do the work. Finally, you bridge the gap between the dashboard and the physical world. You onboard your field team right into the app, they open the Teams tab, and they see your active rewards and personally display the QR codes for customers to claim, gating the physical payout behind a real person purchase. You have total control from the dashboard, they close the loop in the real world. One last thing, This is the biggest revenue unlock on the entire platform, Agent Rewards Connector. Customers and businesses connect with our AI agent over text or WhatsApp. The customers simply text the agent what they want, a specific product, service, or a night experience. The agent immediately connects them to businesses offering them. Think about what that means. We're capturing raw high-intent demand at the exact source. We know exactly what your customers are searching for and what is holding them back, whenever it's price, service, or convenience. You can get the related search results happening right around your business and instantly drop rewards to pull those specific high-intent customers right through your doors. Direct reach to real consumers, high-intent demand signals, direct reach to real customers. Search, reward, claim, and contact. One perfect closed loop. Create the perfect campaigns with market intelligence, direct rewards, and spend a fraction of the cost for real results. Contact us to get started for access or manage campaigns.